Two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your Epic Games account. Follow these steps to enable 2FA on the Epic Games Store. Step 1. Log into your Epic Games account. Visit the Epic Games website and log in with your account credentials. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, click on your account name in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account to access your account settings. Step 3. Go to Password and Security. In the Account Settings menu, find and click on the Password and Security tab. This section contains options related to your account's security settings. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use sRock to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After enabling 2FA, make sure to save any changes. You may receive a confirmation email or a notification to verify the 2FA has been successfully activated. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Epic Games account with two-factor authentication. Remember to keep your authentication method secure to protect your account from unauthorized access.